Good evening, I'm Oka Dimas Prego and welcome to Business Focus. Tonight we turn our spotlight to the world of recruitment in accounting, with a special focus how global firms are adapting their hiring strategies in Indonesia. In this segment, the recruitment process, the skill most valued today, and what that means for candidates and firms alike. Let's begin the broad landscape. The global accounting giants, PwC, Deloitte, EY, and KPMG, have a long maintenance strong recruitment programs worldwide in Indonesia. The local branch PwC Indonesia, Deloitte Indonesia, EY Indonesia, and KPMG Indonesia are actively recruiting to support growth in audit, tax advisory, and digital transformation practice. Recent data show that in 2024 and 2025, demand for accounting firm in the professional Indonesia increased by approximately 12% compared with the previous year as firms respond to new regulatory compliance requirement, expansion of fintechs, and heightened infrastructure security. While exact number vary per firm, what is clear that talent acquisition is become more competitive. Within such recruitment process, and candidates typically go through multiple stages: online application, psychometrics, or aptitude testing. A technical interview focused on accounting standard or audit methodology, followed by a behavioral assessment interview assessing leadership, communication, and cultural fit. This is typically recruitment process for many of these global firms. Now, let's talk about skills that are most valued today. Firstly, digital literacy and data analytic competency have risen to the forefront. Accounting firms no longer only look for traditional bookkeeping or audit trail skills. They expect professionals to be fluent in extracting insights from large data tests, using analytic tools, and helping clients from their finance. Secondly, professional competency international standard such as FRS or Indonesia PSAK remain critical. Candidate must demonstrate understanding of global frameworks, internal control system, and regulatory compliance. Thirdly, strong communication skill and client advisory mindset are increasingly important as firms shift from classic audit roles to advisory consulting. Recruiters need to engage with diverse stakeholders, explain complex financial information in simple terms, and contribute to the client strategy. For example, EY Indonesia recently emphasized in 2024 campus recruitment that candidates who can combine technical audit knowledge with advisory thinking and digital skill will lead the way. Meanwhile, KPMG Indonesia graduate trainer highlight that in cohort must be future ready, able to navigate cloud-based audit tools, interact effectively with clients, and adapt to changing regulatory environment. Another recent trend in Indonesia, firms are placing higher value on soft skills such as adaptability, critical thinking, and cultural agility. With many international clients entering the Indonesian market, recruiting must often operate in a cross-border teams, understand emerging Asian market dynamic, and adapt quickly. Furthermore, diversity and inclusion are more now part talent acquisition criteria. Firms have introduced initiatives to attract candidates from non-traditional accounting backgrounds. For example, graduates in information technology, economic, or data science who show interest in the finance transformation. Let's consider in concrete case in 2023. PwC Indonesia report that firm is full of over 5,000 applicants for her cycle, fewer than 10% process to final interview stage. The different applicant who showcase not only auditing knowledge but also project mindset, digital experience, and strong English language proficiency. For example, right now the message is clear: go beyond the textbooks, demonstrate real work initiative, maybe an internship where you support a finance automation project, or a case study where you help with small business comply with AFIRS. Also practice behavioral interview scenario. How would you advise a client facing a change in accounting regulation? How would you use data analytics to detect fraud in a medium-sized enterprise? From the firm side, the recruitment process is evolving. Many global firms in Indonesia now use virtual assessment centers, online group exercise, and AI-driven screening tools to handle high volumes of applicants. They are seeking talents with agility, digital readiness, and future-proof skill. In summary, the combination of professional technical knowledge, digital and analytic capability, strong communication, advisory mindset, plus adaptability and global outlook, these are core competencies being sought in Indonesia accounting firm recruitment market. As we conclude, The reflects on the with the means for both candidates and from Indonesia. For candidates, the bar is rising is no longer enough to standard. You must position yourself as the business partner, a data empowered advisor, and a communicator who can add value in complex environments. From firm, winning the war from talent means rethinking recruitment strategies, embracing digital tools, and widening the talent pool. Beyond the traditional accounting graduates, local branches of global firms in Indonesia are adapting swiftly to these realities. Thank you for joining us this evening. Reporting live from Jakarta, I'm Akadimas Praigo, and this has been Business Focus. Good night and bye.